Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMugs got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Animoca Brands unveils plans for K-pop NFT metaverse. Over 70% of Shiba Inu holders are in profit. TA Ethereum regains strength. Indicators suggest fresh run to $4,850. Musk effect sees crypto named after SpaceX's Starlink satellites gains over 140% in 3 days. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, we all know that K-pop possesses a huge fan base and it's highly likely that their merchandise and goodies are sold on a huge scale. But what about NFTs? Yeah, it's coming too along with yet again Metaverse. This is going to be huge. Make sure you don't get left behind. Anyways, let's look into it. NFTs are continuing to disrupt the mainstream entertainment sectors, with Animoca Brands teaming with Cube Entertainment, a Korean record label, talent agency, and music production organization to create a K-pop music metaverse. The cooperation, which was announced on November 15, will see Animoca and Cube collaborate to produce multimedia NFTs honoring Cube's collection of popular actors and K-pop performers. The NFTs will incorporate digital music sources such as full-length albums as well as graphics such as artist headshots and album covers. Animoca brand CEO Yat Siu remarked that he is looking forward to working with Cube to make the open metaverse a reality. The cooperation, according to Animoca, will enable real digital property rights and other blockchain benefits for both Cube's roster artists and their followers. The alliance would be a significant beginning for leading the global digital culture market and promoting the digital content sector, according to Cube CEO An Woo Young. B2B, Pentagon, IDLE, and Lightsum are among the 50 K-pop acts managed by Cube. Siu has long stressed the disruptive form of ownership made possible by NFTs, comparing the influence of NFTs on property rights advancement to the Renaissance in early modern Europe in July 2020. Animoca has been directly associated with numerous significant milestones in the development of NFTs, having invested in Dapper Labs after witnessing the company bring the Ethereum network to its knees as a result of the massive popularity of CryptoKitties in 2017. In 2020, Animoca signed a global licensing agreement with Formula One for the debut of its F1 Delta Time game before selling $3 million worth of virtual land NFTs in an initial exchange offered hosted by Binance at the end of the year for its metaverse subsidiary, The Sandbox. The Sandbox raised a further $93 million in November 2021 to extend its NFT metaverse. So moving forward, it was recently found that almost 70% of Shiba holders were in profit. Now that the power of crypto used by investors of acute thinking, I wonder if I'll ever earn millions through crypto. Oh, these dreams. Anyways, let's have a look at our inscription. Despite its historical volatility, Shiba Inu continues to be an extremely beneficial investment vehicle for crypto investors, with over 70% of them profiting. Shiba Inu, a popular meme coin, has had a substantial decline in value after soaring to new highs. Nevertheless, despite this massive loss, over 70% of investors in their digital asset are profiting, according to statistics from Into the Block. According to the Into the Block data, 17% of the holders are losing money. This is most likely due to their late investment, since they may have been among those who bought the dip when the stock fell from its all-time high. Their investments, on the other hand, have the potential for greater rewards if the token continues to climb again. Whales have 78% of the total quantity of tokens, according to the report. According to some observers, these whales play a big impact in the meme coin's price movement. The rising popularity of SHIB resulted in profit for a number of wallets that held the asset, as it pulled in a slew of new investors. It's also worth noting that the asset's recent rise in popularity has been aided by its Coinbase listing. Similarly, the digital coin's strong profit potential resulted in a month-long increase in the number of holders. According to ITB data, Shiba wallet addresses increased from 7,06,808 on October 10 to 9,26,684 on November 8, 2021. A fascinating part of this is that the value of Shiba Inu increased by over 100% during the same time period. Despite all of these advantages, Shiba is still a highly volatile asset. To put this in perspective, the meme coin's value has declined by over 1% in the previous 24 hours, 9% in the last 7 days, and over 40% from its all-time high. Not only that, but the asset's market capitalization has dropped by nearly $7 billion. This volatility was mostly caused by 4 large transactions by investors who may be profiting from their investment. announcement. Approximately 10 trillion SHIB tokens were recently moved to several wallets. So moving forward, Ethereum is yet again going high. Being the Bitcoin killer, people already expect huge from it, and mostly it lives up to all of them. It has started its fresh run to $4,850. I wonder what will its next target be. Are you excited? Personally, I am. The Ethereum price is looking for more gains. Above $4,500, Ethereum has created a solid support foundation. As a result, the price of Ethereum began to rise again, breaking above this $4,600 resistance zone and the 100-hourly simple moving average. On the hourly chart of ETH/USD, there was a break over a key negative trend line with resistance above $4,630. The pair has risen above $4,700, but it's currently seeing resistance near $4,725 as well. Ether is now trading near $4,700, holding its gains. It's also about the 23.6% FIB retracement level of the upward advance from the swing low of $4,520 to the high of $4,725. Near the $4,725 mark, there is an immediate upside resistance. Near the $4,750 mark, the next major resistance is found. A break above $4,750 might potentially kickstart a new rise. Near the $4,850 mark, the next major resistance is found. Any further gains could push the price closer to $5,000 in the near future. If Ethereum falls to break through the $4,725 and $4,750 resistance levels, the downside correction could be extended. On the downside, $4,675 serves as an initial support level. Near the $4,650 level and the 100-hourly SMA is the first big support. Near the $4,620 level, the next big support is found. The upward rise from the $4,520 swing low to $4,725 high is nearing the 50% FIB retracement level. Any further declines might push the price below the $4,550 support level. The bull's next big support is near the $4,500 level. Elon Musk, whose name alone acts as a boost to various tokens, is a very renowned personality, isn't he? So his company's token was launched and it reached skyrocketing heights within a day, and all credit goes to his name. I wonder what he's up to next. On Saturday, Space launched 53 Starlink orbit satellites into space, causing a supersonic price increase in the Starlink crypto market. Elon Musk's space technology company deployed 53 of them into Earth's low orbit, causing a cryptocurrency with the same name as SpaceX's satellite range, Starlink, to surge over 140%. Written as Starlink, the obscure cryptocurrency gained 13.7% on the day of the satellite launch, another 69% the next day, and up to 27% on November 15. According to data from the OKX market, the enormous upside move increased StarL's net returns on investment by a little more than 140% in less than 3 days. Starlink, the crypto, and Starlink, the SpaceX satellite wing, shared a name which served as a common denominator. As a result, it looked like traders were only attempting to profit from SpaceX's satellite launch event by pumping the coin through coordinated efforts. Elon Musk's effect on the crypto market, as well as on the growth of meme tokens and the meme stock investing phenomenon in general, are some of the causes. It all started with billionaire investors tweeting in support of Dogecoin, a humor cryptocurrency which boosted its per token price to a record high of $0.76 in May 2021, following a 15,700% YTD rise. Because of Musk's choice to invest in Bitcoin through his offer company Tesla, the flagship cryptocurrency has risen from roughly $39,000 in February 2021 to nearly $65,000 in April 2021. Meanwhile, many market analysts believes his criticism of Bitcoin on its frightening carbon emissions was a key factor in the catastrophic May 2021 crypto crisis. Musk's crypto tweets about his beloved dog, a Japanese breed named Shiba Inu, also aided the price rise of the token's namesake. The cryptocurrency, which trades under the ticker SHIB, had a year-to-date return of about 375% by the end of October. In October, another cryptocurrency named after Musk, Dogelon Mars, soared by almost 4,200%, demonstrating how the Musk effect influenced crypto markets. However, according to its white paper, Starlink is a standalone crypto project with no ties to the satellite that bear its name. It builds itself as a decentralized metaverse initiative that uses StarRel as its official default currency to help users buy everything from gaming to virtual real estate. So we would now wind up with our assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.